Hi everybody! So this is a quick little tutorial video on how to build our little bug house. So this is what we're going to end up with. And to do that, every student gets a 4-foot 1x4. And these are the tools we need. I am missing one tool, and that's our bench hook. And so that is the piece of wood that slides on the table so we don't cut through our table. So we're going to pretend that I have one down and I'm not going to cut through the table. So to start, very first step is students are going to take their measuring tape and they're going to put it at the end and they're going to measure down 12 inches. So they're going to measure 12 inches like that. Then they're going to take their speed square. They're going to hook it on the wood so it slides up and down. And they're going to go to the line they drew, mark the spot they marked, sorry, and draw a line across. We do that so that it's perfectly straight. Next step, they're going to put on their safety glasses and slide their bench hook on. If they want, they can clamp the wood down to the table. And so what they do is they put their wood on. I'm going to cut off the table instead of on a bench hook because I don't have one. But they take their clamp and they slide it and they clamp it on and they twist it tight to their desk. And we do this so that the wood doesn't move around on them. And then the next thing they do is they take their handsaw, slide off the piece of wood from the top, or the cover from the top. I'm left-handed, so I gotta go over here. And we are going to cut our wood. So we put our hand down, thumb tucked in, 2 to 4 inches away, and we take our saw and we just pull back. And we do that a couple times to create a little groove in the wood so that the saw doesn't jump out. And we're just going to slowly create our groove and cut our piece of wood. So what we're going to do then, I'll cut this one quick. So we have our piece of wood. Now, we need 2 of these. What we want to do though is we don't want to measure 2. We want to use this one as our point of reference for the second measurement. So both sides are the exact same size. Because if one of them is a different size, we won't be able to create a perfect rectangle. So we take our wood, we unclamp it, and we use this one as the measure. Take this, measure, clamp, and cut our next piece of wood. So we're going to pretend I cut that. Then what we're going to need to cut, so we have those 2. The next thing we're going to need to cut is a 6-inch piece of wood. So we go and we measure 6 inches. We do the same. We mark our 6-inch spot, use our speed square, slide it on, and draw a nice straight line across. Again, we're going to take our clamp it down, and handsaw it. At the end of this, and we're going to repeat. So at the end of that, students will have, ta-da, 4 pieces of wood. Next, we need to create our rectangle. So I have my lovely Asher. He's going to come and help me. So what we're going to do, we're partners in class. So what Asher and I are going to do, and we haven't really been through this, so we're just doing this perfect the first time, right, Asher?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take, and we're going to take our, well, actually I should say this first. So students know how to put it together. Get them to put it together, short pieces on the outside. Just put it together so that they can see what it is that they're going to build. Then they visually know where the pieces go. We'll pull 2 off. I'll hold. Asher will drill and nail. So I'm going to hold the wood and Asher is going to drill and then nail in a nail. And he wants to do this right back to back so that as I'm holding, so I'm going to hold it there, hand away. There we go. And drill down and out. So straight down, straight out. Perfect. And then grab a hammer and nail and we nail those 2 pieces together. tap, 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 and then hand away and nail it in. Perfect. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna stay here and hold this. I'm gonna flip my hands around, and we will drill and nail in the next one. After that, once these two are together, we set our piece down, we grab our next long piece. This one's much better because now we have two legs standing here. So I will then again hold this, and Asher will drill and nail, drill and nail. Then what we'll do is we will flip and add our bottom. And this one's nice because all these pieces are actually together, and we will drill and nail these four in. Once you're done, you will have your nice little rectangle, and students can then start doing their research, if they haven't, to create their different layers for their ecosystem. And they will have a lovely bug hotel.